Environmental law consultants versus regulatory affairs specialists. Which one is better for permitting projects? Permitting projects can be a legal and logistical maze, and most companies get this wrong at first. The surprising truth is that choosing the right type of expert can save time, money, and compliance headaches. Environmental law consultants focus on legal compliance and environmental impact. They analyze project plans, assess regulatory risks, and help secure permits related to air, water, and land use. For example, if a construction firm plans a new industrial facility near a protected wetland, an environmental consultant ensures all impact assessments, mitigation plans, and permit applications meet legal requirements. Their work is critical for avoiding fines, litigation, or project delays due to environmental non-compliance. Regulatory affairs specialists, by contrast, focus on navigating government processes efficiently. They understand agency workflows, procedural requirements, and timing strategies. For instance, in a large infrastructure project requiring multiple permits across local and national agencies, a regulatory affairs specialist coordinates submissions, tracks deadlines, and expedites approvals. Their value lies in ensuring that projects move smoothly through bureaucratic channels without unnecessary hold-ups. The key difference is legal depth versus procedural efficiency. Environmental consultants provide the technical and legal expertise to meet environmental standards, while regulatory affairs specialists optimize processes, timelines, and stakeholder communication. Most successful projects leverage both. Environmental consultants ensure compliance with environmental laws, while regulatory specialists handle submissions, interactions, and project scheduling. The takeaway is simple: for complex permitting projects, relying on only one type of expert can create bottlenecks or legal exposure. Integrating environmental law expertise with regulatory strategy ensures not only compliance, but also timely project execution. The surprising truth is that blending these skills can cut months off permitting timelines and reduce risk of fines or litigation, ultimately saving your project money and headaches.